All right, everyone. Yeah, I think this is the right time to actually, how to enter a limit order. Okay. Now, the very first thing, going on the quote tab, you can see it here. Click on quotes, and then you add the currency pairs you want to trade. For us, we kind of trade gold like 80% of the time. So, and gold is XAUUSD, something like this, right? Once you search it, it will come up like this. So just click on it once. So once you've done that, so the next thing you want to do is actually come in on the trade tab and click on this plus icon. All right. So you've got like a lot of instruments already on your on your account, on your MT5 account. So you might not have this XAUUSD here. So what you want to do is clicking on this dollar sign on the top right corner. Once you click on it, then if the other currency you've selected, it will be there. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. Now let's say I go into the code tab now and I select another currency pairs we trade, GBP, JPY. All right, so like this pairs now also trade it. Sometime also trade GBP, CAD. Also trade this one sometimes, and sometimes also trade BTC USD. Right, so these are a couple of currency we trade. So if I come back to the trade tab now and I'll click on this plus on the top right corner and I click on this dollar sign, you can see all the currency pairs I've selected are now here. Okay, so I'm just trying to show you that if gold is not already here, what you want to do is just come to click on the dollar sign, then select it, XAUUSD. Once it's there, then the next thing is you should have gotten a signal by now. Okay, I normally send it to WhatsApp, but right now I don't have WhatsApp installed on this phone because I've been blocked or kind of banned. I'm still finding a way to get it back. So what I did is I sent the signal to myself on Telegram. So this is the signal. You should already have it on the WhatsApp group now. It's a limit order, right? So gold buy limit. So I just want to show you how to enter a limit order. So just copy it here and paste it somewhere you can copy. All right. So, and if you look at what I said gold buy limit at, so I gave at a price level. Okay. So what you want to do is actually copy one of the price level. You copy this 4060 here first. This you copy it, then you come to here. All right, you come back to your MT5. Now once I'm sure you already know how I open it to this extent. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is click on that market execution. Once you click on the market execution, you have more options that come in. Now you see that buy limit, you select it. Then the next thing is you select the lot size, right? So I normally use 1.1. Okay, now this is because I have a larger account size. Okay, as you can see just now, the amount on this account is about $17,000. But if you're having, like if your capital is not much, you can go with maybe 0.01 or 0.1 dollars lot size, depending on what your lot size is. But for me, I'm using 1.1. So once you've selected, then you come on the price level. The thing we copied the other time, which you just paste it here, the 4063. Then we come on the stop loss, which is SL, right? So we'll go and copy the stop loss here. You can see it here, the stop loss. So we copy the stop loss and we paste it here. We go back, we copy TP1. All right. Copy TP1. You paste it here. All right. Then you click on place. All right. So you've placed the first trade. So you want to go back again, click on this plus icon. All right. What I normally do is I'll just click on buy limit. Then the lot size already there. I won't select it. Then the price level, which is already copied the other time. All right. and I'll just go to my clipboard, and which is 40.63. All right. Then the stop loss. Then the stop loss is what again? Let's go back. Is 40.57. So then the second trade, what will I do? I'll go and copy TP2 instead of, the first time I used TP1. So I want to use TP2 now. So I'll copy TP2 and I'll place it here. I'll place it here. So also place my trade again. All right. Now, if you see it, we have two price level, right? So we have from 40.63 to 46.60. So I want to also use that 40.60. Now you can only do this if you have like bigger money in your account, right? So if you don't have bigger money, you can just do it once and just leave it. Okay. So what I want to do now is I'll copy this 40.60 again. I'll go back and I'll use that one as my new price level. All right. So I'll just paste it here. Then the stop loss, I actually crammed it. So it's 40.57. Then the TP1, I think is, let's go and check it. 40.67. 40.67. All right. So I'll place it. Then I'll still do it again for the same price level, which is the 40.60 bar. 40.60 we copied. Then the stop loss is 40.57. And the TP now is 40.85. I'm sure that is it. Yeah, 40.85. All right, so I'll just place it. I'm not sure this thing is hard. All right, it's very simple. Okay, you just have to watch it and watch it over and over again so that you will understand it more. Okay, but it's very simple. The thing is, once you've understood, that is it. Nobody can ever take it from you. So just watch it as many times as possible. Yeah, so the trade has been placed. So once you can see it, when I click on chart, you can see it now. The price is currently at 68. So if you got to like 63, it triggered the very first set of entries I took. Then if you still go down to 40.60, it will trigger the other one, right? So this way, you won't miss on the trade, and at the same time, your entry will be closer to your stop loss and all that. But the more you do it, the more you will understand. Okay, yeah. So that is, I think, that these are the best explanation I can give you for now. If you have any question, let me know in my inbox. But just do what I ask you to do.